We are here at the beautiful Tobin Center, and we are celebrating our most wonderful sales agents at the Coldwell Banker Passport to Success Realtor Rally. We will have 3 international speakers sharing their tidbits and advice. So we're going to have some fun, learn, and meet and greet along the way.
It's been a pleasure speaking with you this morning. I look forward to having some more of you in the room this afternoon. Thank you so much.